FLOE has been making world-class snowmobile, utility, and recreational trailers for over 3 decades and was first to introduce the aluminum snowmobile trailer in the late 80s, which soon became the industry standard. Then in 2007, we created the innovative Cargo Max trailer with the exclusive molded polymer ultrabed and aluminum frame. And now, to round out our unparalleled trailer lineup, we're excited to offer the Versa-Max UT. Decked out with 3,500 pound axles, the Versa-Max UT has cargo capacities up to 2,100 pounds, making it perfect for hauling today's heaviest ATVs and side-by-sides. It's available in 10.5, 12.5, and 14.5 foot lengths, giving you some valuable added deck length compared to many others. Let's take a closer look. The all-aluminum frame is made of 100% custom extrusions. This allows us to design many features right into the trailer structure and means you get a strong and rigid frame that will give you years of trouble-free use. And because it's lightweight aluminum, it's easy to move around in your yard or garage, and you don't need a large truck to tow it. The Versa-Max UT is a maintenance-free aluminum deck equipped with our Versa-Track system that allows you to connect the trailer's heavy-duty tie-down plates anywhere in the track. This provides unlimited tie-down options to help secure your load and safely haul your cargo. Compare that to the competitive brands that have just a few fixed tie-down points, which is very limiting when it comes to safely securing your load. A feature that is really unique to the Versa-Max UT is FLOE's quick attach track system around the perimeter of the trailer. This track gives you even more options to place tie-down plates for securing your cargo. It's also where you attach the fenders, a spare tire, and the side kit. Not only does it allow you to attach a side kit quickly, but it keeps it rigid and quiet. You can see in this other brand how the side kit is quite loose, giving a loud rattle sound as you tow and potentially chafing your expensive cargo. Options for the side kit include 11-inch or 24-inch solid sides, or if you're hauling wheeled equipment like ATVs, you can get the side load ramp kit on the 12.5 and larger trailers. With this option, part of the side kit doubles as a side loading ramp, so you have both side loading and rear loading capability. And just like the solid sides, the side ramp secures tightly onto the trailer, eliminating the rattling and banging common on the other trailers. For ease of getting in and out of your trailer, 2 steps are standard on each side. They're especially handy when entering or exiting a loaded side-by-side. With a competitions trailer, this simple task can be very difficult. The heavy-duty tailgate ramp makes loading fast and easy, and FLOE's exclusive pin silencers make it the quietest in the industry. Plus, the bifold design keeps a low profile, which looks better and has less wind drag for easy and efficient towing. If you're towing the trailer without a load, you can fold the ramp to the inside of the trailer to minimize wind resistance even more. The Versa-Max UT is equipped with FLOE's exclusive and patented fast action tilt clamp system. It provides 3 unique loading modes and can be a total game changer if you're loading low clearance equipment. First, you can simply lower the tailgate ramp and drive on. This is perfect for loading ATVs and other equipment with plenty of ground clearance. Second, you can use the tongue limiter strap to partially tilt the bed for loading low clearance items like longer UTVs, golf carts, or lawnmowers. Simply loosen and slide the tilt clamp forward, and the limiter strap will allow the trailer to tilt about halfway. Doing this eliminates the high spot and provides a zero clearance loading situation. No other trailer has this ability. Third, you can bring the limiter strap forward to allow the bed to fully tilt back. This allows gravity to work to your advantage if you are unloading mulch, black dirt, or aggregate. You can also remove the tailgate ramp if necessary by removing a few hinge bolts. Another great thing about the tilt clamp system is it uses a large, easy to grip hand knob to operate without tools. And it's very tight, so it won't rattle like other tilt trailers. Other features include a 1,200 pound swivel tongue jack, which is 50% more capacity than the light-duty jack found on many competitors. Versa-Max UT has independent rubber torsion suspension and a corrosion-resistant galvanized axle. Compare that to a common painted axle that will begin to show rust right away. and is topped off with 14-inch radial tires with premium aluminum wheels. The bright, trouble-free LED lights are concealed and protected within the trailer frame, so they're ready when you need them. The plug even has a receptacle to keep your connector dry and off the ground when you're not using it. Yet another FLOE exclusive. We designed the Versa-Max UT to be the strongest and most dependable aluminum trailer on the market. It's easy to accessorize, feature-packed, lightweight, quiet, and incredibly easy to tow. The Versa-Max UT, yet another game-changing innovation from FLOE.